Want to change password in Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change password in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tap on the More button from the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, select on the Settings button. Next, select Account Info. Here you can see Password option. Tap on the pencil icon beside it. Now enter your current password and also your new password. Then click on the Update button. 6-digit verification code has been sent to your email. Check your email and enter the code. Lastly, click on the Verify button. And that's how you can change password in Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.